Okay, I'm done with my breakfast. What are you having?
Fish.
Fish.
Dried fish again.
Dried fish. It's not very big.
No, very small.
Okay. Oh, we got a concert outside, huh?
Yummy.
Okay. You like that, huh?
So yummy.
Go ahead. What else you got here?
This is a bacon.
Bacon and what is this?
Rice.
Rice? Okay.
Calamansi.
Okay.
We can put the calamansi and then mix na yan. And then, always I'm using by my hand.
Hand tools. Okay.
Okay.
And what do you think, sir? He just doesn't care.
Yeah.
Okay, well enjoy your breakfast, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.